Happy Monday. Thanks for clicking to WYTV.com. I'm meteorologist Ryan Halicki. Temperatures for tonight dropping down into the mid-30s, and this week you're going to notice those mornings a little colder than we've seen of late. We're looking at those low temperatures dropping below the freezing mark here as we head through the middle and latter part of this week. So some cold starts to our days, and with that, well, we're going to be firing up the lake effect machine. That means it will be cold enough to see some snowflakes. There's two things that I'm watching: a little disturbance working through on our Monday evening that'll allow for maybe a sprinkle or two. And as that cold air starts setting up across the lakes, well, we'll fire up the lake effect machine. So most of what we see going into our Tuesday will be just north of the area. But by the time we roll into Tuesday evening, I do expect that to start trending a little further to the south. So let's walk through this in a little more detail. As we go through tonight, again, you see those temperatures down into the 30s, scattered clouds around, and notice the showers hugging the lake shore there. Most of what we'll see during the morning hours will be primarily into Lake, Geauga, Ashtabula, and Crawford counties. However, northern Trumbull, northern Mercer counties, I can't rule out a few rain showers clipping those areas, and we may see a few snowflakes mixing through during the daytime hours as well. Now, heading into the afternoon, similar setup. Again, most of that will be just to the north, but northern Trumbull, northern Mercer counties have that chance of seeing a few raindrops here. Now, winds start to shift just a little bit as we come up into your Tuesday evening, and I do expect that that's going to start driving some of this activity further to the south, into further into Trumbull and Mercer counties, and also a chance to see a few of those into Mahoning or Columbiana counties. Again, I expect most of this, though, to be in the snow belt. Now, temperatures will start coming down, so you notice this starts transitioning over mostly to just some snow. It will be pretty warm, the ground surface not frozen at all. However, I wouldn't be surprised for a slushy coating here through especially areas to the north of Youngstown into Trumbull and Mercer counties to start our Wednesday. We're still going to have some of those snow showers around Wednesday morning, and then getting into the afternoon, anything that's out there starts mixing back over with some rain. But especially through the first half of our Wednesday, that chance at seeing a little bit of precipitation continues, and primarily in the snow belt this starts to fade, that chance for seeing any wet weather into your Wednesday evening. The rest of the forecast, well, looking a little quieter, but take a look here at the potential for snowfall accumulation. This is what the model's spitting out Tuesday night into Wednesday, and I do think, especially as you go north of Warren, north of Mercer, a slushy coating to perhaps an isolated inch is possible. Now, this will struggle to stick to the roadways, but our secondary streets, I wouldn't be at all surprised to see a little bit of a slushy coating on those early in the morning, so perhaps a few slick spots. But overall, this is not going to be a major snow by any means. But if you do see that on the roads, remember your snow driving techniques here. Give yourself a little extra time to stop, and then as we go into the middle of the week, anything that does stick would melt off pretty quickly with those warmer afternoons. So chilly temperatures up on our hassle factors list right now. Just that wind, it'll be a brisk wind through your Tuesday, and seeing a few of those rain showers that could mix with some snowflakes, but that chance for snow a little greater for Tuesday night into Wednesday. We're looking at 35 degrees our low, an isolated sprinkle or shower around during the morning. Most of this again would be the primary snow belt or clipping northern Trumbull and Mercer counties. Same goes for the daytime hours with 46 degrees our high temperature. Now, tomorrow night, I do expect to see a few more areas seeing that mix of some rain and snow. And then as we get to Wednesday, we'll have that scattered mix about the area with 43 degrees our high. So a chilly day there. Thursday, we see things starting to dry out, and that starts the trend here for a couple of dry days. We need some time to soak up all the rain we've had recently. Thursday looking dry, Friday looking dry, looking at a mostly sunny Saturday. Don't forget Saturday night into Sunday, those clocks go back 1 hour, and you'll want to set the redo the batteries in your smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors. Check those too. You see the temperatures by the weekend back into the 50s, and next Monday we're jumping into the middle 50s.